This Uber driver had been tailing me for the last 10 miles. I kept ignoring it, trying to stay cool. But then, he sped up, cut me off, and jumped out, ready to fight. Right then, I made a choice. No yelling, no drama. Just drive away.
Watch where the fuck you're going, you stupid fucking cunt! Fuck you, bitch!
Sometimes walking away is the real strength. Ever had a moment like that? Drop it in the comments and stay safe out there. This morning on my way to work, I saw two drivers suddenly stop and get into a heated fight. I watched, trying to figure out who was at fault. Was it a wrong move, or just road rage? Honestly, I still don't know. But one thing's for sure, anger on the road only makes things worse.
The day after Jason on the premise came up, the chest X-ray revealed the pneumothorax had shrunk into less than 20%. That man had to remove the chest tube and sew it back up. But the morning after the drop was removed, he transferred from ICU to medical floor.
Guys, on road rage. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
It's not worth it. Oh, God. Nice. Let's hear it. The woman's coming out of her car now. Nice.
Age starts to take place like a bomb that keeps ticking, and they regret not chasing after it after they have the ambition. The ambition fades away like a red on the rose, and the regret sucks the life from everybody else.
Oh, dude.
But
What
my
the
rose
fuck
ain't
are
red.
you
It
doing?
won't die, but ain't fake. But when I die, I'll drill myself in these lyrics I speak.
This morning at FM 970 and 183, a truck was rear-ended by an Amazon van out of nowhere. No warning, no screeching brakes, just a loud hit and stunned silence. Was it a distraction? Speeding?
No wonder you got rear-ended, you asshole. Another Chevy.
How do you know it got rear-ended?
Look at the dent in his rear end.
No wonder you got rear-ended. You're driving another Chevy. How do you even know it got rear-ended? Look at the dent. It's right there on the rear end, okay? I mean, it's obvious, right on the passenger side. I think I heard it happen.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh,
right
oh.
in
Front
front
of
of
a
Wow.
cop. Ha,
Right in
ha,
front of the
ha, ha. And he's pulling him over. Yes! Works for me. Ha, 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 ha.
Yes.
That made my day. I don't know.